Boldin Retirement Review. Is this retirement tool worth it? Planning for retirement can be overwhelming, and Boldin Retirement claims to simplify it with personalized tools and financial guidance. But is it actually worth using? Let's break it down. Boldin Retirement is a digital retirement planning form designed to help you map out your savings, investments, and future income needs. It uses financial modeling to show you whether you're on track and provides recommendations to optimize your retirement plan. Here's what Boldin Retirement offers: retirement calculators to project income versus expenses, investment tracking and portfolio guidance, personalized financial recommendations, easy to use dashboard for long term planning, access to educational resources on saving and investment. It's built to give you clarity and confidence about your financial future. And now for the pros and cons. A pros included being simple and user friendly design that makes retirement planning less intimidating. It offers personalized insights instead of generic calculators and helps you see gaps in your saving plans early. However, it may not be as comprehensive and working with a certified financial advisor. Some features may be locked behind premium pricing and it relies on your input. So inaccurate data equals inaccurate results. So is Bolding Retirement worth it? Yes, if you want a straightforward digital tool to guide your savings and investment, it's a solid choice. But if you need in depth, personalized financial strategy, pairing it with professional advice may be better. And that has been an honest review of Boldin Retirement.